HHHunt Homes presents the Davenport. Luxury living and convenience collide in this carefully designed townhome. With up to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a garage, this home embodies our how you live lifestyle. Let's start in the heart of the home, your kitchen. Entertaining friends and family has never been easier. Feel connected as the family room, dining room, kitchen, and covered porch flow seamlessly into one open concept space. This floor also includes the comforts of a powder room, a large pantry, coat closet, and entry to your garage. Let's see your upstairs. Your spacious owner's suite delivers on every level. A roomy area flooded with natural light, an amazing private bathroom, and a large walk-in closet. The Davenport also includes 2 more upstairs bedrooms, another full bath, and conveniently located laundry area. Did you know that we offer an optional 3rd floor? The opportunities in this space are endless. Thanks for touring the Davenport. For more information on this one-of-a-kind home, visit HHHuntHomes.com, because at HHHunt, we believe it's how you live that matters.